Just a quick note before we dive in. This is educational content only. Liberty Trading Club is not a financial advisor. Everything you see here is for learning purposes only. Remember, trading involves risk, and past performance doesn't guarantee future results. So always do your own research and trade wisely.
Oh, I gotta do my daily. Um, Looks like we're up. Maybe. Hey, what's happening, Todd? Morning, morning. Whoa, Tom, sneaking around behind our back and doing private chats and stuff. What's going on, Justin?
Good morning, everybody. Happy
There's that
Friday.
guy. There's that guy. He showed up. Look, no, just kidding.
Being here,
Uh,
water,
Conveniently, we get a decent little pullback here.
that little
To
news event, we missed it.
That's all right. It's not gonna hurt us. I didn't think I honestly didn't think news was gonna do it.
No, I
Honestly,
know, since me neither, since it hasn't been happening.
I'm just playing, Tom. Joe, morning. Jai Cap, morning. Hey, good job yesterday, Jai Cap. Way to go. Um, I'm in a good mood today, Paul.
I bet. It's Friday. Why
It's
not?
Friday. That's right.
Why wouldn't we be?
Find my level. I don't really have anything on the higher time frames here. We go to our old measured move stuff. I bet today's gonna be a good day to do two directions on what? What do you guys think? We set me and D Nice talked for like 2 hours yesterday afternoon, just letting the M and Q pop up, down. Made 100. What was it? We finished at 178 bucks or something like that.
Huh.
Just talking. We were just talking. Let them make money for us. Nothing to trade. Just a bunch of shop and slop. All right, let's do our measure move stuff then. I think somebody's already done his homework though. What do you guys think? Guess who knows where price is going to go today? Do you? No? You don't? I do. Morning, Joe. I know where price is going to go today. Watch. Um, we got a convenient little level here at 68.24, and then we'll get up to 68.34, and then we should we should see. What was the math? It was
Oh, no, WD.
what? No,
Oh,
WD, don't do that, buddy. What?
blew through your stop. Yeah,
No.
I tried to tell people about that. I was having a discussion with that somebody. Was it Lulu? You and I were talking about that a while back ago, trading her around the news. Somebody, I can't remember who it was. They were not. What the? Okay. Okay. Well, I mean, yes. That's guys. Don't trade around the news. I mean, WD. I know that that's one of your risky accounts, so that's the risk you take. I get it. But for everybody else, and those of you that are messaging me, do not trade around the
What?
news. What it is here's the deal. We haven't
People
had
get
major
burnt?
news. We haven't had major news in a while, right? So none of us were
You guys
expecting
are
anything to happen. So
caught off guard.
we're kind of out of the groove. But you know what happens during news? Stops get jumped and
Bingo.
counts get blown. Just know it's the risk. So
Man, I'm sorry about that, WD. But hey, good news is WD, we got a bye week. Why is your Friday? No such thing as a stop on a move like no. You don't get stops on that. You may think I'm right or wrong on my all-time high prediction here. 47's the number. 68, 47. Write it down. Tell your children. Tell your spouses. This guy can predict the future. Is that too much, bro?
Supreme Sorcerer.
It's too much. No. I know you're joking, Tom. It's called a measured move. I gotta do it on the NQ. So wait, all right. So I've trained some of you guys this. Who knows measured moves that can tell me where the NQ is gonna go? How about that? Hmm? I'm scared. I don't want to speak up because I might be wrong. Try it. Come on. Give me a number, somebody. Please. I'm just gonna sit here and sip my coffee until somebody gives me an answer on the NQ. Where's it going? Let's go. Hawaiian Shirt Friday.
To the
Isn't this a
moon.
great Georgia shirt, Paul?
Is that your Georgia shirt?
Yeah.
Georgia Hawaiian
It's
shirt.
Columbia.
We need Liberty
It's
Hawaiian
Columbia.
shirts. No,
It's
before we
Columbia.
do it, Liberty Hawaiian shirt, we got to have a Liberty hoodie. Gotta.
Oh yeah. Okay. All right. All right. All right. I'll
I
make a
might
deal with
live
you.
in that one.
If this weekend goes well, I'll buy them. I'll buy you a hoodie and me a Liberty Hawaiian shirt.
There you go.
How about that?
Or we
Is
can
that
do
a fair deal?
best of both worlds, a Liberty Hawaiian shirt.
You caught me in a good mood today.
Drinks on Brian today.
That's probably true. That's so true. Uh, all right. And then Megan, I'm gonna try to figure out a way to sneak that girl a new eval. Seriously, I'm so proud of her. I'm gonna
Yeah, that's
try to
awesome.
figure out a way to sneak her a new eval.
Absolutely awesome.
I am. Somebody give me a measurement. Let's go. Megan, give me a number on the NQ. I'm seriously. We're gonna try to figure out a way. I don't know. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna try to figure out a way to get you a new eval. Are you not proud of her, Paul?
Yeah, no, it's awesome. Absolutely
It's
awesome.
amazing. Please, somebody. I'm just gonna sit here all day. The chart's not gonna change until somebody gives me an NQ number. 25,700. Okay. That's a little aggressive, Tom. I'm talking about just above the swing high. 650, Justin. Okay, I could get on board with that, but that's still, you guys are still 100 points away from us. 200, 300 points away. Give me some relative. You can use fibs. If you're not going to measure moves, use a fib level. Hey, yeah, I like that, Justin. Good job. You're right. I was gonna go 550. We can go right there. Good job. Thank you. Thanks for actually doing something. Participating. How do we do it? Maybe we sneak one of those giveaways to her. If she could be at the presentation Saturday, we could totally give her one, couldn't we?
That would be rigging it. No, we have to do it legit.
Oh wait, it's gotta be random. It's gotta be. I know it's gotta be random. We're not gonna rig it, but
It's got to be random.
I'm gonna figure. I promise you, I'm gonna figure out. Megan, I'm gonna figure out a way to get you one of those. It's a better level. And just so you guys know, I already have planned one above on the NQ. It was 610. I doubt it. I doubt it, Isaac.
You know what, Brian? I'm gonna tell you only because it always does it.
Yeah,
I think by the Open they probably pull this thing back.
it has been always doing it. It has been. Doesn't have to keep
So-
doing it, guys.
My guess, and it's just nothing other than a guess. I have nothing to base it on. Is they probably will try to bring it back.
I don't watch.
All right, here we go.
Guess who's
Brian,
gonna be right?
Brian says no. I say yes.
Guess who's gonna be right?
Probably you, but
I'm like Farmers Insurance. I've seen a thing or two.
it's just. But lately, there's every single news
I
event they
know.
have brought
but
back.
that's what
Everyone.
we've been seeing. That doesn't
For-
mean they're gonna keep doing it though.
How long has it been now?
A year and a half.
Yeah, every single one without fail.
It's going okay. You don't think they're gonna change that?
Yeah, I mean, it's,
They
yeah,
lulled-
I do. I don't
lulled you
disagree.
to sleep. Listen,
Place your bets, people. Place your bets.
who's right? Here, Paul. Let's go.
Place your bets. Who's gonna be right on this one?
Let's just. I'm not gonna say go with me, but
I mean, I would probably bet on Brian, but it is what it is.
probably should.
Because mine's not based on anything other than it's happened in the
Well, they
past.
did. Well, okay, I get it. So what do I always teach? They did it before, so they're gonna do it again. This time, it's different. Here's how I know. You know how I know?
Okay, well let's talk about this. Are we talking about the NQ or the ES?
Doesn't matter.
Okay, I think NQ comes back.
It doesn't matter. No.
ES might decide it wants to go to
If
the moon.
if the NQ comes back, the ES is coming back.
$377.
If the news comes out good about the shutdown, Justin, it'll go blow past them. Look at this. How did my levels work so perfect?
We'll find out.
Coffee
20
tastes good today.
The world is just a little brighter today, isn't it? They turned it up a notch this morning.
Isn't it? Isn't it though? Come on.
Oh yeah, me too, Isaac. Me too.
Well, I make it a habit of not being wrong, guys.
I was wrong yesterday. I had my first all-out losing day yesterday that I've had, in I can't tell you how long. And I mean losing, as in like
Well, I missed the one thing. Did you really?
very,
Every account?
very rare. Yeah, I mean,
Couldn't
none of
get
them meant any kind of nothing catastrophic. They were all just
I
small
know you're
losses.
not gonna do that. I know you're not gonna have
Yeah.
a catastrophic loss.
But they were all red. I haven't that I can't even tell you the last time I've done that. I don't even
I
remember
had
that.
I had 2 red,
It's just like
but
every trade I did,
if
I either had a technical or something went wrong or I just
oh
lost it. I'm
yeah,
like, you know what?
or you
I'm
just
out.
had a
I'm
losing
stopped.
trade,
I didn't trade all of them because I started thinking, you know what? This is
just
ridiculous.
step away and walk.
Yeah,
That's a
but
smart move.
it was
That's really
weird.
smart.
I was telling
Live to trade
Tom,
another
right?
day.
Who were we talking? Somebody I was telling. Yeah, it was Tom. I was telling him. It's like, man, I'm having a losing day. It's weird. But it's so funny because, like, in the past, that would have just absolutely ate me alive, and I could care less.
Get it, Tom.
440. Justin says 440 pull back on NQ. Yeah, 440. Then you're not asked. That's not much of a stretch.
It's not
Come on,
pullback.
put a little risk in it. Let's go a little lower. 440 is a hiccup at this point.
No, watch. I'm gonna buy this.
Keeps making lower lows.
I'm gonna buy this. 104. You're not gonna get down there, Tom.
Oh, okay, let's slap a fib on this bad boy, huh?
You're at the 50% retracement. It already happened.
Let's do it from the bottom here.
Would people just listen to me, please? Everybody. I promise you. We are buying this market. Big one. We're buying it. I'm waiting until after the open to do the M and Q. But think about this, guys. So, who was it with me in Premiere yesterday? 77% is R. It's not going to happen, Justin. Guys, we're buying this market. Come on. Oh. Tom, I'm so sorry.
Yes. Well, let's just say that this is for educational purpose. This is for entertainment purposes only. Is it going to pull back? I don't know.
I'm going to entertain today. Watch. Put a clinic on. Thank you, Tom. If you break here, look at this easy. You break 490 on the NQ. It's about to do it on the ES right now. 19. You get above 19. There's nothing holding this thing down at that point. All right. Thank you, Tom. So, when do we buy? Joe? I'm going to do. By the way, starting Monday, so you guys know, because I make too much money on this stupid things. That's nothing but M and Q and tick century. That's it. That's all I'm gonna do Monday. Guess what? What does the money line say we should be doing on Tick Century, by the way, guys, with the MQ or the NQ? What does it say? Tell us.
Bye.
Tell me. Paul, don't answer for that. We
Oh,
did
sorry.
Premiere.
Well, I mean,
Why?
it's pretty darn obvious.
Pretty darn
Like that isn't a tough question. I'm sorry.
Here, this is the reason we made Tick Century. What should you have done all night last night? Okay, check this out. As soon as this happened yesterday afternoon, what did we do yesterday afternoon? We went 2 directions. Green, white, red, white. Okay, that means we're in a neutral market. Go 2 directions. Got our money. We finally ended up scraping out 170 bucks.
Yeah, that two-way
what did we do,
work.
guys? Oh, who was there still? Yeah, scraped it. We put it on a 25 tick space. Oh, I need to change that. We put it on a 25 tick space and scraped out like 178 bucks, something like that. And just laughed and joked the whole afternoon. But then, look, here, money line crosses up. You turn on the longs. It comes down, grabs some contracts, comes up, gives you some profits. Comes back down, grabs some contracts, comes up, gives you some profits. Isn't it amazing that we made a tool that just tells you exactly what to do? Green, white, red, white. Go 2 directions. Comes down, grabs profits, targets, profits. Oh my goodness. You just do what Tick Century says to do. 2 directions. Boom, boom, boom. Go 2 directions. Made you money. Long bias. Maybe you don't get to turn it on until here. Comes down, grabs a couple targets or a couple of contracts, hits targets, turn it back on, down, targets, back on, down, target. You see how that works, guys? Short buys. Grabs a couple contracts, gets some targets. Now, obviously, I would hold a core position in situations like this, but isn't it amazing that it just tells you what to do? You don't even have to think about it. Wow. I have targets off, by the way.
Tom Hutcher, you in here?
Hutch is here. Yeah, we've been chatting.
Did you see his plan this morning? This is good, Tom.
What? No.
Tom, did you send it?
Yell at him.
Yeah, I'll say it for him. This is
What?
part.
And think about it. I'm gonna say it in front of everybody because Tom allows me to do it. You know, the biggest thing is he got away from journaling, and now he's going to go back to it. He's going to get back on track and do things right and make
And
some money
controlling
doing
risk. And controlling risk.
this. Is that right, Tom?
I mean, that's
Well,
true.
going
With
to.
journaling will help you with that
Yes.
too. But that's a huge thing. Just the controlling risk and knowing where you're going to trade. This is for everybody. This isn't just for you, Tom. This is for everybody. And knowing where you're going to trade
It
from
is for
next, right? We're not guessing.
Lawrence, that applies to you. Journal your trades and know where you want to trade from. Stop gunslinging. Who else? We can talk like 10 people, right? Come on, Lawrence. You can do this, bud.
It's so funny how many of us. I mean, this is it's a common thing. But I mean, there's if you do the basics, it will control probably 90% of the problems you're having.
Look, Lawrence, I didn't respond to you for a reason. If you don't journal, I'm not going to help you. If you do, I will help you. It's that simple. Is that a fair deal, bud? Lawrence, fair deal?
Yeah, he's going to do that. He's also going to start.
As fair as it can be. If you do
He's
it, I'll
he's
help
doing
you.
a reset. He's doing a reset.
Good. Guys, look, what's the only thing I ask of all of you? Me and Paul, the only thing we ask. If you track your trades We gladly give you help
Look at what Megan
without even
says.
question. Is that right, Paul?
Absolutely 100%. I mean, but
We won't even charge you if you track your trades most of the time.
I mean, there's not
Just
a person
help
in
you.
here who doesn't. If you reach out for help, you're going to get it. Period. Simple as that. And
Hey, there you go,
the,
Megan.
the two things. Well, look at what Megan says. I mean, it's
Did you
that's
tell me
so
your best trade
critical.
yet, Megan? You're tracking it. Look at her, and look, amazing how much difference it made for Megan when she started tracking her trades. I still love the fact that she didn't trade anything except for um, kids' minds until 4 months ago, and now she's got to pay out. That is amazing. I love that.
Telling you, risk management, Megan.
hmm
That's what changed everything for me. I'm gonna. I mean,
4 months, but again, you don't know what risk management
if you
means
don't track your trades, well,
if you don't
yeah,
know what you're losing on.
yeah, 100%. No, it goes hand in hand, obviously.
They are. They're the
Yeah,
same thing.
yeah.
It's
Megan,
amazing.
Justin,
Four
Megan
months
is
into trading, ever.
impressive.
She's a baby when it comes to trade. Baby, little baby. She's a newbie and she's spanking your butts. But she's doing it right too. That's the thing I love about it. You're always gonna make mistakes, Megan. Always, always, always. There's
Oh yeah.
nothing called perfect in trading. If
You
you,
should have
you
seen me
can't.
yesterday, Megan. I put on a
Yeah.
clinic. I put on a clinic for mistakes.
I lost. Look at this. I made a big dumb mistake by getting out of that long on the ES. I made another big dumb mistake by not holding on to my two direction trade on the NQ.
No, your first dumb mistake was not having enough confidence in your own ability, because you sit
Oh,
there and
we
talk
know.
yourself out of something you know was the right thing to
I
do.
know I'm right.
Yeah. And then he sends me a message like, I should have stuck to my. I'm like, no kidding.
Okay. No kidding. But seriously, look, I don't know what I'm doing. I told you guys. All right, I'm gonna break even on the stop and leave it there. Did anybody get along with me? I told you guys I was buying this. I told everybody to buy it. I don't know if you guys did it or not.
I guess I'm going to be
I
wrong.
like
This is
learning
going to
the
go up.
rules at friendship. Yeah, no, Megan, you're so spot on. Like, I love that you stick to rules. I really do. A lot like me. No, PBR, you're getting good. That's okay, Megan. Megan, that wasn't in your plan, so I wouldn't expect you to do it. Somebody that's more advanced. It's like I feel like my throat sounds like I've been smoking for years.
You know what? I got a quick little break for the open here. Be right back.
Oh, we're getting to. I didn't write a plan up today. Sorry, guys. Here, the plan is buy. Got it? Looks like the ticket. Yeah, that's what we're doing. Megan, we're buying pullbacks day. I don't like rules. Well, no, Justin, you've come a long way. That's another person that we need to commend. Justin, are you gonna do the thing tomorrow with Paul? You said you agreed to it. Okay, cool. I love that. Your first payouts come from Liberty Mindset. That's awesome. That is awesome. I'm gonna stay in this trade the rest of the day. I don't think I'm gonna get out of it. This one does equal. That's a great way to put it. I like that. This one equals freedom. wanted a biscuit. Huh? Oh. Yep.
Now we get ready for the open. Jocko Willink said, what did he say? Oh, discipline equals freedom. Yes, discipline does equal freedom.
Okay. Let's happy Wine Shirt Friday, everybody. Or if you're in the north, Hawaiian parka,
Hawaiian
green jeans.
Park Friday.
Let's see what the temperature here is in Florida. If you are struggling to be profitable, newer to trading, please wait. I don't know how long should we wait. About 6 minutes after the open, before you go and get the urge to take some trades. Oh man, it's gonna get hot today. 83 high, 68 low. All right. Bad news, soldier. You're being transferred to a mass unit. All right, what do we do? No, you can post something like that in here, PBR. I think everybody can laugh for that one. All right, I'll do it if you're not going to. I'm going to do it. It's because I think it's funny. Here's a good one. You guys are gonna like this. Megan, this is right up your alley. Why is it not showing my email? Am I spam to myself? Holy cow. Paul, you showed it in the spam.
I'm in spam.
Oh my goodness.
And what are we talking about? In the email?
Yeah. I just looked. Holy cow. Swiss it showed up in spam?
Yeah, Google does that every now and then.
Weird. Dun and Bradstreet. Get rid of those. Those silly. Zoho. I don't care if that's spam. That's weird.
All right, 30 seconds. Let's do this thing.
Okay, again, if you're struggling to be profitable, if you're new to trading, do not trade through the open. Keep your hands.
If you're a penguin, don't trade.
If you're a penguin, don't. You can't type if you're a penguin.
That's why. Be hard to
have
push
these
that mouse button.
You don't have like. You're just like little fins tapping on the mouse.
And showtime.
If you're a penguin.
Showtime. Well, it's true. You're a penguin.
It's
Don't
so
trade during
true.
the open.
If you're a penguin, it's you are like. What I don't understand the whole penguin thing. Like you're standing in the Arctic.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Are they going to pull this thing back? Are we going to be right?
No, you're not.
Is it a retrace?
Just relax. It's a happy feet. Got those little flappers. Megan's like, what is going on here? Hold on. These guys are silly today.
We're just trying to keep you out of trades. It's Friday.
Yeah. Let's chill out. Let's
We
relax.
don't need to be pushing the button right now. You everybody chill out.
We can wait.
We got time. Uh-oh.
Paul.
Uh-oh.
Oh,
Paul might be right, people. Paul may be.
every time.
He's getting pretty close to being right. Let's just say that.
Shh. We're not gonna do it.
Right now, neither one of us. We're halfway.
I'm gonna take a bite of my breakfast sandwich. Leave me alone.
Nah, I think this might have been. It might have been it. Let's see what happens. No, maybe not. What's our stochastics? 314.5? I always forget that. Somebody help me out here. Thank you. Yeah. Let's see here what happens.
I'm not sure, but I think it looks like it's going up, doesn't it?
Yeah, it almost came back. Almost.
I think it looks like it's going up.
Almost came back.
But Megan, if you were allowed to trade the open, that would have been the
That was the long.
little W.
Yeah.
Yes.
Long. I didn't take it, but I would have
Yes,
liked to.
you both made it. Yeah. That would have been the case. I feel like my nose looks big today. I was watching a hockey game yesterday, and this dude had the biggest nose on the planet. I'm not kidding.
Probably because it's been broken 100 million times. His
Man, this
hockey.
guy's nose like stood out past his mask. Yeah, no, you got it, Megan. Wait for another quality pullback. You you obviously should not be trading the open yet, but
Yeah, don't
just
FOMO into this.
just know that, well, I'm long, but just know in the future that's going to be a trade for you. Easy trade too. Nice little W. So let's see. Nine. Let's do this. Isaac, is he here? Isaac, you here? What time do I need to? Ooh, baby. Ooh, baby. Oh, I lost trades yesterday. I can't trade. They're retracing the whole move. We gotta go to 19 on the stop. And see you later. See you later, alligator. Oh, it's coming back.
Give us a pullback now. Well, don't think it wants to give us a pullback.
We should have made some terms on our little bet there.
I know, right? Hey, but technically I was half right. 'Cause it came way more than it came back a good
Came
bit.
back halfway, so you're
More than halfway. More than
You're
halfway.
half right.
This thing
All
did
right,
not give me a
little bit
breakout.
more
I
than
should have just took
10%.
that breakout.
Do I get a brand new eval for being right?
You're getting a one. What are you talking about?
Here, we got a new stop on the ES. 25, 25. Look at
All right,
this.
come on.
Did I say that right? No, I was wrong. It should be 24, 25. Let me look at that
There
again.
we go.
24 even. Forgive me, people. What am I looking at? Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. 9:45, Isaac, right? I can turn on the tick century on the long side for the M&Q. Let's do it right now. 35 or 45 PBR? 45 tick spacing? Is that what you're using, PBR? Okay. Lulu, I'm not going to say it again. Abbreviations, even though people know what they are, you still can't use them. Lulu, come on. Please get on board with that, dear.
Did I miss something?
Use an abbreviation for something that is not appropriate. Okay, here we go. Long, 45 tick space, 10 contracts, M&Q, global on. Let it pull back. Give us some cheddar.
Cheddar, people. Cheddar.
Cheddar. Look. Look. Let's go to our trusty daily chart. Oh, wow. It's all-time highs, isn't it? wonder, what do you think the ES says? Is it all-time highs too? I'm not sure. Oh, never mind. If you got to be tighter on the ES with a stop, there's 28.25. Look at, I got one tick off on this. I said
Buy up here,
34,
but
33.75. I was so close. So close. One tick. I'm getting shabby. One tick off. No. I
Come
feel
on,
like
give me a pullback.
what should Paul have to do silly? We have to get him to take a picture of something silly since he lost a bet. What is it? Come on, guys. Let's mess with him. Yeah, I like this. Push it down. Push it down, son. Let's go. You might get another buy. You might actually get. What time is it? 9:40. You guys might actually get a buy opportunity here in a second. Don't just jump in. Be patient. Be patient. I should have done 35 ticks on the tick spread. Oh well. Megan, today's with all-time highs. It's a good time to use. Oh, don't take my stop. Come on. I was one tick off, and then push all the way down. That'd be silly. That's not gonna happen. That'd be silly. So, guess what gave me that inclination ball?
What is that?
The buy inclination.
What gave you that?
I've like somebody yesterday afternoon was like, stop worrying about those block orders that went in yesterday and made the price go crazy. And I was like, well, there's a reason it happened. It's not random. It happened yesterday afternoon too. I don't know if you noticed that. And then we push up this morning. And I was like, okay, let's put two and two together. Somebody was dumping a lot of contracts. They were getting rid of a lot of, they were trimming some fat. Let's call that. That's all it could be, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Now we get to push up this morning. Somebody had to load up yesterday. And that's probably all that happened. You're getting a little W if you have to and you want to. You got to buy stop at, let's see, on the ES, you got to buy stop at 28.50 NQ. Kind of have to use that last year long now in the NQ if you want to be there. But if you're newer to trading, I would probably say just be cautious. There's your targets on the NQ. You're about to get it on the ES. Nope, they didn't do it. Never get hit your buy stop on the ES. Probably here in a second. Nice little momentum candle. Oh, you guys know what I'm doing on this. So you got to kind of have a new stop here too. That low is 25, so 24.75 new stop. New stop 24. Targets off. You guys getting a piece of this? Targets off on the NQ. Targets off on the ES. You guys getting that? I feel that was a pretty straightforward call, right?
Yeah. Clean.
I think that's straightforward. You can't say that wasn't clean, right?
That was perfect.
You did make a good trade call. Well, I did. I think I did. Go Dogs, WD. It's going to come back and get you, but still, that's winning trade. You'd like to see it. I think you'd like to see, let's see. I'm going pull my trade off this for now. And I think you'd like to see, this is what you'd like to see. Well, you'd like to see what you're getting right now, or retest trade. You'd think you'd want to see it from like the 490 area on the NQ. Look at where it junked around back here after the news. I still can't believe the news did something today. Isn't that crazy?
Yeah, I didn't even think they were going to have it. So.
I didn't think so either.
Or I would have been present.
Me too. I would have been. I didn't think that was going to happen. It's cool though. We made a new high post news. There's no reason this shouldn't continue up. Let's see. Look at the ES here. It made ES didn't quite make a new high post news, but what's this high? 37.25. We're targeting 47. By the way, on the ES, we're targeting 47. The NQ's about to take off. Look at this stop management. Who says our process doesn't work? Oh, nobody. Who says it? I'll probably look back here.
Can't get on board with this NQ right here. Just can't do it.
28.25. It's a little wiki. It'll settle out here in a second.
Not after us.
But is anybody following my M and Q right now? You're up only $300. PBR's got it. There you go. Look, guys, here. This is the same. Look at this. This is a funny, silly little thing. This is the account that was read yesterday. Interesting. Isn't that amazing how that works? This is the account that was read yesterday. What do you think? Do you guys think it's going to not be read? I don't know. I need help with this. Do you think we can do more than 500?
I think it's good. I think it'll be okay.
I don't know. You guys tell me. What do you guys think? See how this works? Joe, you're going to learn how to do this with me? Here we go. Come on, ES. Push that NQ up. M and Q. I don't mind.
Nothing but chop. This works well for that.
Yeah, we kind of have to look back here on the ES. The stop needs to be, what was that? That's a low of 28. We kind of, here, let's try to find something here. There's this guy right here, Indecision Canada, a little, 28 even, stop. Poor old Coach Brian don't know how to trade. Oh no, it hit my stop. All right, you guys might get a chance now. Be relaxed. Don't just jump in. No FOMO. No mo
I
FOMO.
don't like this 77 down here in the zone.
Now you could actually
Okay.
that would be pretty good. That'd be nifty. Let's look back.
I'm going to give that a shot, I think, if it comes down there.
That's actually a retest as well. So I think you're right, Paul. That's a good one.
77 long if it comes down here.
Let it get down to like 74, 75, then
Yeah.
turn around.
May not. May
Here's the
bounce
trade.
right here off the 200.
You actually, because that's a retest area as well from a swing high. And just wait for it to set up right. Here's the trade. You guys want me to
There
draw?
we go. Boom. Target's off.
Was just about to say.
That was quick.
Literally just about to say do it.
Did anybody take it? I had it waiting at 77, so.
I was gonna say let it come down. It's probably just gonna be one of these guys. Not even gonna be a clean setup. It's just gonna go. Literally what I was gonna say. Yeah, if it makes a clean setup, then everybody else can get in. Same for the yes here. If it makes a little clean W. Let's see. Yeah, you'd think the ES wanted to go a little bit lower. 22. 22. But if you get there's your draw here, draw a box, right? Making this easy. You have this price action.
Boom.
If
Come
it
on.
breaks up
Break up.
here, you've got the long.
Ah.
Be patient. Be patient. It's gonna get it. Just be patient. If it doesn't break up now,
Nope.
you wait.
It's a scalp. It's all right. A $100, $150 scalp. Better than nothing.
Better from back here, right? On the ES. So look for it here. Little W. And there should be something like this. Draw a little box around that. And watch these candles break out of here. If they don't do it, you don't buy it. Got it? Got it. Get it. Got it. Good. Okay. Do the same thing with NQ real quick. Oh no. I'm 6 contracts deep on the MNQ. This should just be about the area that NQ takes off, actually. I was literally about to draw what it's going to do. I was going to draw a little box here. Say when this breaks out, buy it. It just did it. All right. Well, never mind. I was a little late on that. Hopefully you guys are getting a piece of that. Target's off. ES and NQ. Or do whatever you want to do. If you're newer, you're struggling
Back
to be
through
profitable.
77.
I was about to say you're going to get another chance at this. You're right.
It's not. It's making lower. I don't know. Mm-hmm. They're going to retrace the move.
I'm trying to make money on the longs.
I know. I shouldn't say that. I just want to be right. Dang it! That's all. I did not short the NQ, Lawrence. I took the 77 long when it came down and bounced off it the first time. I said 77 long. And it took my first target and then took me out on my second target. So small winner. And then I just said you could take a back through 77 long again. And that one looks like it's going to be the one. I did not take it, but. Again, you still would have got first target off. No, I'm not on the short bandwagon just yet.
Again, I give another warning. those of you that are struggling to be profitable, new to trading, you probably want to sit on the sidelines while
Yes.
while
Flat
the
MAs.
markets explore this new territory.
While the markets retrace back to the original.
Oh, stop saying stop. No. I'd be fine. I'd be okay with that. Look,
Yeah, it can bounce from there. You'd make a ton of money. What are you
I
talking
know.
about?
Look at this. I'd be completely okay with that. Come back down here. That's
I
fine.
mean, I very viable 430 is realistic. Where's your
Yeah.
last contract? For what? 24?
Yeah, that's called math.
So 430
It's a
is
joke.
I heard that.
That's the reason I did it. I wanted to be down here. I think you're right, though. I mean, I'd be okay with
430
it.
is really realistic. Like it could come back to 430. I don't know it's going to retrace.
I'd
And
be
I'm
okay with
playing
that.
around about the retrace, but
I know, but I mean, why would it come all the way back down after doing the double bottom here at the fib level
no, I mean that's not good. I'm just playing around.
and push to an all-time high after that? That's just what it is. A bunch of people are taking profits and
hmm
they're, but and yes, let's do the same thing on the ES, right? It couldn't make it. The ES couldn't even make a new low after the original retrace, and that was almost exactly at fib level, right?
I erased the fibs. I don't know where the fibs were.
It was close. I mean, I can eyeball it. All right, do we take profits on this account and switch to another one on the MQ, guys? Who's doing this with me on the MQ? Anybody other than PBR? Anybody? Nobody? Check my messages since you guys aren't talking to me. Megan, are you around? I got something funny for you. I don't know how to get it. Oh my goodness. Hold, please. You can say thank you to PBR for this, Megan. Hey, Justin, good job. There you go, Justin. There you go, Megan. This is just a tough long to get into, but it's working. I thought you'd like that. I know. Makes me want mashed potatoes now. Man, it doesn't like that level, does it? What is it about? Um, 2507, 25511. Somebody's finding it. That's kind of weird though. It should continue to move. I mean, I don't care. It can bounce up and down all day for all I care. Oh, I left my sunglasses on. 25.75. That's what Lulu says. $25.75. Well, did you take it long then? Did you take it long, Lulu? Was that what you did? I need more coffee. Hmm? All right. Trust your stuff. Trust your stuff. Is anybody other than PBR following me on the M&Q? Did you guys need help with that? Tom, did you do it? Who else is there?
Whatever.
Yeah. Joe, did you catch it? Todd?
Anybody take the NQ back through long, like I said? That's been a nice winter.
You called that like
I didn't take it, but
hour
yeah, I called it about an hour ago.
Whoa. What is going on here? I am going to take this $1,000 and call it.
Yeah.
What the heck?
What just happened?
is that? Again today.
I did it again today.
And by the way, this was down.
Same
500.
time
Yes,
too,
this-
right?
Yep.
Was it a Trump tweet?
Nuh-uh. Oh, are we actually doing news now?
Is news back up and running?
Are we really doing news again?
Did they fix the government? Did the government back in business? We'll get some reaction.
Oh,
That
man, Justin, sorry about that, guys.
did you get taken?
Man, that was silly on my part. We got lulled into not having news for so long.
Yeah, I'm off the news thing. I got to get back on
Oh,
thinking
man.
about news.
Oh well, worked out well.
Yeah, sometimes they work in your favor, sometimes they don't.
That could have been bad.
Yeah, that could have been ugly.
Dang. Why did they all of a sudden start doing news events?
Well, Michigan,
We're still in shutdown. Right?
Yeah,
Am I wrong?
that I know of. Yes, we are.
Did something change? University of Michigan? What does that mean? Isaac? Must be weird today. Oh, I got it. There we go. That's weird. Wait a second, but we're gonna go back to a long. We gotta go back long. I gotta switch accounts. That's
How much did you end up making on that account?
it bothers me when I miss stuff like that. That's I don't normally do that, Paul. Man, that gets me. I am gonna go to another account, guys, and put that on long. This one, I think $1,600 is better than the $500 loss yesterday on that account. What do you guys think on that one? Paul, anybody? All right.
Hey, hold on a second, Brian. I'm on the phone.
Oh, okay. Let's look here. ES. Obviously, we probably want to. Man, that aggravates me, guys. Sorry about that. I'm usually a way better steward of your stuff than that. Can I get a pass on that one, guys? Oh, wait, Megan. Let me figure this out. Dang, Justin. Guys. Yeah, give me a pass on one, please. That bothers me. Well, even Captain Crunch was wrong time to time. Shoot. human. Somebody yell at me at least. Tom, yell at me. Why does Todd have a trial under his name? Todd, why do you have a trial under your name? Yes, you should yell at me for that one. That's dumb on my part. Lulu, come on, tame it down. Don't stop making me delete your messages, Lulu. That's silly. That was way too. I taught you. Thank you, Todd. I taught you better than that. I have to delete them, Tom. Lulu, you gotta calm down, Lulu. Come on. People, I'm embarrassed. Rusty Wheellock. I love that name. The new trial, Rusty Wheellock. Welcome to Liberty Trading Club. I'm just reading stuff now because I need to get my mind back right on this. Yeti Trades. I love it. Rusty, you're fit in well here. Welcome to Liberty. Who else is here? New people. Everybody welcome Rusty. Rusty Wheellock. I love that screen name. That's beautiful. There's some other people, but I like his screen name the best. Yeah, I'm assuming his. It could be it. I don't know how you identify. I do, actually. He identifies as a Rusty Wheellock. I didn't scare him off. Todd, why do you have a trial in your name? I don't understand that. All right. Let's look at this NQ again and see if we want to do it. ES is just, it's hard to get in a trade on the ES, guys. It's just hard. I'm going to try to buy it. I think that'll work. Let's look at the NQ again. I think we got to go back long on the switch accounts for a reason. Let's do it. Get back long on the, it's going to take my target right away. Come on, get out of here. Should we keep one core on this one? Let's do that. Let's do that. So here's what I'm going to do. You guys follow me? Anybody doing the M&Q with me again? Let's go ahead and kill that. Try to keep a core long. It says up, doesn't it? That's what our money line says. Pretty sure that's what it says, right? And then let's oh, come on. And let's turn this back on. Boop. Keep our core long. Somebody want to do this with me? Hit 540. Oh, sweet, Justin. Great job. That's exactly what I wanted you guys to do. And we're going to do this one more time. 45 tick space, MNQ. I'm still using 10 contracts. I don't think we're going to get all 10, but I'm going to keep a core one long. Who's doing it with me? Second account, 1,600 up on the first one by mistake. I was shooting for 500, to be honest with you. I whiffed on that news, guys. That was silly on my part, and I'll admit to it. And anybody that says they're not wrong on stuff from time to time, those of you listening online, if they say they're not wrong and they don't lose trades, run for them like your hair's on fire, because they're lying to you. People are wrong. People do things wrong. People mess up. People lose on trades. That's what happens. If they didn't do it, all of us would be fat and happy sitting behind our computer screens with donuts and making money all day long. That's all there is to it. So if you're online, welcome to Liberty Trading Club. It's real. We get real. And I'm not talking about a fishing reel. Actually, just or a reel on YouTube. How many times can we use the word real these days? You might actually get a decent little long setup here. Not on the ES. You might get it on the NQ though. All right. If you're watching this on YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, X, whatever it is, face page, whatever we're streaming on, please go to libertytradingclub.com. Join us for a 7-day free trial. We will help you. You get a lot more stuff when you join us. We'll give you 5 free videos, training videos. You can, if you're on NinjaTrader, you can use all of our tools for free for 7 days. We'll coach you through using our tools. You can come to our live trade room and get to chit chat with somebody like myself or Coach Paul, who was wrong this morning. Just saying. Just want to say he lost a bet. He's on the phone, so I can say whatever I want right now.
No, I'm sitting here saying I was.
Oh, man.
I was on mute.
We have partner offers. Saturday, I'm assuming tomorrow at 10 a.m. I will be doing a presentation
Be there, be square.
in the orientation room. You guys are welcome to join. Members, you're welcome to do that as
Uh,
well.
Is it going to be
Tuesday,
in
we're
the
gonna have
orientation room, or
class.
is it going to be on that other platform?
Oh, never mind. It's going to be on another platform.
Speaking of, Miss Pauline, if you're listening, we need to get that link and put it in here so people can join.
Can we put that link in, Miss Pauline? Where's she at?
I don't know if we have that. Tom, are you here?
I don't know what she's doing.
Tom,
Meatloaf.
other Trader Tom.
Trader Tom? Not Tom.
You're here?
There, Miss Pauline said it.
Okay.
There's your long working out on the NQ.
Yeah.
All right, let me finish this. So if you're online with us, welcome to libertytradingclub.com. Join us. Go to libertytradingclub.com. Join us for a 7-day free trial, and we will do stuff with you to help you out. And at 1 Monday through Thursday, 1300 Eastern, we do Premier Clubhouse, so you're welcome to join in that. You get join our member meetups, so you get all these cool videos you can watch about how we do things. Please watch those. We have a whole full calendar every week of stuff going on. That's mostly all related around trading, unless it's me and D Nice in the afternoon talking about whatever, hair. And then we have an app. Join us on our mobile app. Thank you guys. Welcome to libertytradingclub.com. We are the best. All right, so we're already positive on this MQ, and keeping that one core long. Let's look at the NQ here. It's making new highs, guys. I mean, what else can we do? You got to think long, right? This would have to go now. We'd have to go below. Again 430 for me. Even not even. Where's my last contract down? 435. I'd be happy. I'd be really happy if it came all the way down and grabbed these contracts. It's not going to happen though. ES. Sorry, it's just hard to get into the ES right now. Might. Now let's see here. Actually, 34.25, 34.50, 35. I call it 34. I was a point off. Above 35, you kind of have to just be a buyer on the ES. That's what it looks like, at least. Oh.
Yes. Oh.
Oh, wow. Here's something fun for you, Paul. silly. Step back and fall in that poop.
Oh, wow.
I know.
An
Just doing
M&Q.
this.
That's insane.
That's it.
Utterly insane.
We've had. It's only been one $500 loss this week. That's it. Is that crazy, guys? M&Q, one $500 loss this week. That is it. Don't forget we had a what was it? Wednesday we had a $5,000 day on the M&Q.
That's insane. On the M&Q.
M&Q, come on, get out of here. You guys want me to show you what I showed Paul?
Go for it.
You guys want to see it? I know. There you go, Justin. Good job, buddy. Keep that money. Keep it. Yes, stretch. So yeah, great job. Thank you, Stretch. Again, everybody, we should all appreciate Stretch for what he does in the mornings. No, we are printing money, so this is hard. I'm going to stop and hey, get green, get gone, get Justin here. Justin, you still here? Let me give you something. Here you go, my friend. Great job. Great job. Get green, get gone, get gone. Love it. Love it. Love it. Here you go, buddy. Got my first end of the week. First one. Great job. Thank you, Justin. Great job, dude. Great job. Get green. Get green, get gone Friday. How many G's is that? I think he did it right?
A bunch.
That was right. Yeah, he did it right. Get green, get gone Friday. Good job, buddy. Guys, come on. If you're profitable, get on out of here. Go on, get out of here.
Yeah, don't stick around.
Get on
Go
out
enjoy
of
your
here.
weekend.
I'm not telling jokes.
Not all about sitting here all the time.
I'm not telling jokes. Maybe I should tell jokes.
Say the jokes for your mama.
My mama's smiling today, I promise you, Paul.
Amen.
She's a happy woman.
Amen to that.
Where's my... I had a joke. Where's it at? I wrote it down somewhere. I had one I could tell. What was the one I gave yesterday?
All I heard was just
Now my
flew in.
phone's trying to connect to the alien computer screen I have. That's crazy. What'd you say?
I said the only one I heard yesterday was the one I just flew in. Your arms were tired, so.
No, it was way better than that. Where's it? I found it. I can't remember where I put it. I wrote it down. Where did I put it at?
Humdrum. Are we done for the week? Is this all the market's going to do today?
What? Let Tick Century print money for it? For us? Is that what it's going to do?
Yeah, but if we're not in, I'm not just jumping in up here.
That's why we had Tick Century.
I need a pullback. I need a pullback, I tell you.
You might have a little W for me on the ES. If it can push through that 35 on the ES, you got clean selling. If it can do it this time. There was a little long signal on the NQ, but again, I'm just following the plan, sticking to Tick Century, doing what Tick Century Moneyline tells me. Technically, you probably should go to 35 ticks. If you're not in the MNQ, go to 35 ticks. Put it on 2 directions. Let's see. Is that 35? Yeah. That'd be yeah. That'd give you no deeper than 1 or 2 contracts on both sides. There's a plan. You guys want to follow me on that? Follow. Oh yeah, that's what it was. I remember what it was. What do you call a person with no body and no nose? Nobody knows. How you laugh at that, Josh?
Nobody knows.
Nobody knows. Oh, I could use another cup of coffee. Could somebody please help me with another cup of coffee?
Coffee. Where's D Nice's man?
I know. I need one of those.
Yeah.
Nobody knows. Lawrence. Get a good reset, Lawrence. You'll be fine. Do what I asked you to do this
There
time.
we go. Come on down now. Give me a
Hey.
Let's
get now.
somewhere to get in type place here.
Let's look for the ES. Let me draw this out for you guys. You'd love to see. It's probably not going to do it, but you'd love to see it get back where it came from here and get a nice little retest buy with a W on the ES. Where's my EpiPen? What? Come on. You're supposed to be talking. No, it doesn't work. Whatever. I'd like to see it come down here. I don't really think that the pivot levels matter that much today because
No.
the
No, they're not
highs.
respecting today.
Yeah, I don't think they really care about that right now. Everybody's just jockeying for position contract-wise.
This is just
It
wait
still
for
gets me
pullback.
that ES hasn't been able to push above that news high. So that the thought process would be that it should. Back up. Oops.
You're breaking up again.
This is the account. Yeah. This. If man, one for that would be cool, right? For 70. There you go. Great. Oh,
Are you talking? I can't hear you.
hello.
There we go. Now we can hear you.
Okay, I'm trying to draw. I got my EpiPen's not working for some reason. Task. And let's go to pull that back up. Give you guys a little pin here. The ideal trade, it may not happen, but the ideal trade would be for it to come back down to this area here, which is a good level too. And it's around the 77. The ideal thing would be for it to come down here and do the same thing I did before. Give you like, probably won't happen, 2 or 3 little candles What you'll probably see down here is a little V bottom, and it takes off again. But I think it's going to go without you now. Looks like that, doesn't it?
Yeah, I just didn't know where to get in here. I just can't just randomly press the buy button. This works against me. But I probably should have.
Probably. Let it get a retest. Let it push back down and get a second chance.
Yeah, it's got to come down a ways from me still.
Yeah. You could scalp this morning. This is Scalper's Paradise. Yeah, it's going to go. It's going. Let's see. 7 trades. Good job, Isaac. Great job. Yeah, 477 long, Megan. That would be a good trade. Or just let it set up down there. If that happens. There you go. You might get it, guys. Push it down a little bit. You might get it. I think it's going to happen. You guys can get done. Get that 475. Would be a really good spot to buy from. 470. I can't imagine. Let's think about this on the ES too. I can't imagine that this wouldn't push higher, considering the NQ did. But I don't think look at how much time prices and how many contracts are being traded up here. This is a lot. These are, if you're watching us online, this is 699 tick chart. That means there's 699 trades per a bar. That's a lot of bars, including the ones back here in that one area. A lot of bars. So probably some people are probably lightening up, is what I'd imagine, right? Wouldn't you think?
Sounds like it. Looks like it.
It does. Some people are probably lightening up. But that doesn't mean it's not going to push higher. That doesn't mean that. This news says we should push higher. When? I don't know. It could be most likely, if the trend continues, it'll be at when? What do you guys think? If the trend continues, most likely, when will the push higher be? Ooh. Anybody? Nobody wants to tell me. When will it be? Yeah, don't scalp, Megan. Stick to what you do. Megan, stay away from scalping. All right, Lulu, 25.75. See if it holds. No scalping for you, lady. Don't do it. When they hurt our feelings enough. Time to finish retracing the move, Paul. Maybe. Unless. Yeah. Wait for a little long. I think you did well, Isaac. I think I'd leave it alone if I were you. Looks like you. It looks like you guys probably will get that trade if you want to be patient enough to wait for the long. Or else we go into the weekend happy. What do you guys want to do? You want to be patient enough and wait for the trade, or?
Problem is if it gets down there, it might be reversal time.
Maybe. Again, we have this thing called the money line for a reason. It tells us what to do.
Yeah, that 77 is
That'd be a really interesting area to buy from. I think it would.
Yeah, I don't think it's a no-brainer. Like I wouldn't have anything waiting
I
down
would
there, but
almost say it'd be almost a no-brainer though.
really? I don't know.
Because look here, new level, right? Brand new level. They're going to respect the stuff they always do. You're the one that even did the 100 block
Hmm.
thing on in Q.
I mean, by the rules, it is a clean, perfect setup.
That would be the trade.
My only
Yep.
only concern is at that point is it trying to come down to.
Or they're loading up for a run back up.
Hmm.
I mean, we can't speculate on that. We have to
No,
follow
I
the
mean
rules.
it's pure guessing at that point.
Yeah, you're just guessing. Follow the rules. The rules say at this point,
Yeah,
we should
I gotta
be still looking for longs.
take my trade, and that's my trade.
Yeah.
So
Yeah, that's your trade.
got to take it.
Yeah,
Could be wrong, but I got to
that's your
take it.
trade. Look, I lost on my trade yesterday, but I took it. I wanted the double top, the bigger M. Guess what I got? The double top, the bigger M. I sold on it. I lost. Oh well. But it was my trade. I picked it out. I chose it. It's my little baby. Little baby. I had to throw that one away though. Trades aren't like babies, never mind. Because you shouldn't get rid of babies, but you can get rid of a trade in a heartbeat.
Yes, please. We don't want to talk about that.
I said it was my little baby. I'm like, no, that's not a good analogy. It's not a good analogy. But no, you pick your trade. If you pick your trade, like you choose your trade, right? Look at this. You choose your trade, and like again, I wanted to
My
come back down
NQ
here
freeze.
for the MNQ to grab a couple more contracts. I'm okay with that. That's what I wanted. And it's a trade that you choose. Don't let the market decide for you. You can't, here's, can I do a learning lesson? Here's where most people go wrong.
All right, here
If
we
you
go.
have a good premise,
Let's see if this
you
works.
choose your trade wisely. Now, if it keeps going down, I got to kill this. But
This is why I was a little on the fence about that
hold
one.
on. Just hold on a minute. Watch.
Come on, baby.
You have a little faith.
Come on, ye of little faith. There we go.
Just-
She working. Look at Brian knows what
See?
he's talking about.
I'm just like, choose your trade wisely. When you plan well enough for a trade, you plan well enough. We talked about this for half an hour now. And you're like, okay, there's no reason it shouldn't. Watch. There's no reason that it shouldn't come back, test this area where they bought from before. And then what should they do? Buy from there again. They bought from here earlier. They bought from here the first time. They traded from here. They bought from here. They bought from here. Well, what should they do again? Buy from here. You plan that in advance. You look, but this is what we have this little saying. It's called, what is it called, Lulu? I think it's
Look. Look.
L2SR. Look left to stay right. Oh, imagine that. There's your trade. You're welcome. Coach Brian doesn't know what he's doing.
Disappointment Panda says.
Disappointment. Now, if it goes lower at this, I will.
Yeah, I was on the fence about that 77, but it worked out. So
Yeah, I mean that's a good trade. You still made money.
I took it. I had to. That's a prime example of following. It's in my playbook. It's my setup. I had to take it. I could have been wrong, but
If it's in your rules. Well,
Yeah.
again, yesterday I wanted the double top on that ES to sell it. Should have been a perfectly good trade. It failed. Oh well. It happens. I keep saying this. This is mostly for people online. If somebody tells you, if somebody only shows you winning trades, get away from those people. Those are people that are lying to you. If they only show you winning trades. Now, if they have a good premise and a good, like, hey, this is why this should work, and they tell you why it should work, and give you the reasoning, then that's okay. Yeah, I can get on board with that. But if somebody's just throwing a trade out and saying, I keep going back to that guy I was watching on Monday. God, that guy is like, I don't know why people buy from that dude.
he
Are
does.
people that
And
silly?
they do. It's unbelievable. It's
I'm like,
unbelievable.
it took me
Talk about used car salesman. Jeez.
20 minutes of watching him to realize he was completely full of malarkey.
But he spins it well, though.
He
That's
does.
what they do. That's what these people
Liar.
do.
That's crazy.
I think we should start posting pictures of us in our Lamborghini
I only take shorts.
by the
Shut
pool.
up. He only trades 3 prop counts in micros, and everybody thinks he's some rich dude. I'm like, you're trading, and he goes for $300 a day. That's it, and he's done. I'm like, and he'll take a $700 drawdown to get his $300 and be done. I'm like, what? Who follows this guy? And they believe him. I don't know. I'm on a high horse today, people. On a high horse, right, Lulu? Like, who could get on board with that guy? There's people in this room that are like, oh, we fell for stuff like that before.
I have spent my money on.
All right, I got to ask
Reputable.
members, am I being too much today, or are you guys having fun? Huh? Too much or fun? Or a good balance? Come on, give me some feedback, guys. Say something. Say something. Something. Something.
Say something,
Say
I'm
something.
giving
All right,
up
cool,
on
Todd.
you.
Thank you. I like keep Todd around for barometer. What do you say?
Barometer?
Barometric pressure check. Doing well. All right, good guys.
Kevin, I don't know. We're
Set
working
your
on getting that
presentation
link.
Link for presentation.
If
Anybody?
not, we'll email it out today. Check
Link
your
for,
email.
who all wants to go to the presentation tomorrow morning with me? Who's gonna do it? Megan, good job. Thank you. Thanks for being you, Megan. I feel like a proud papa. I'm so happy for Megan.
I might get another shot at it here if we get a double bottom down here at this
I really do.
74,
Saturday,
71.
man, it's been a busy week. Yeah, I'm doing a presentation for potential new members tomorrow morning, guys. I'm going to be teaching our stuff. Do we have a link for the presentation?
I don't think so, but if we don't have it before we close today, we will send it out in an email to everybody.
I think we're getting it right now. I think we're getting it.
I think you
Just-
get another shot at this.
Just keeps bringing my fill price lower and lower. I like it. I like it. All right, who's going for real? No, we're gonna send it out right now. Who's going to? There you guys go. Boom, StreamYard. Get it.
Get
You're
it.
gonna be there, Todd. Anybody else other than Todd gonna be at the presentation tomorrow?
Copy that link, people.
Put it in the main chat. Nobody else coming? 10 a.m. You get 6 days of me this week. Come on. I'm being a little too much this morning, Paul, I think.
Yeah. I'm used to it.
I know, right? It's like every now and then I go off the crazy wagon and start just running my mouth and being silly. I was supposed to do stand up this week. I didn't do it.
That would be cool.
I was supposed to do it on Tuesday. Next Tuesday, I think I'll do it. Do a little. This place called Coconuts down here on the beach. They like me. They let me in whenever I want to come. There she is. Don't you get near us. We're trying to take longs.
Oh, Tick Week's at the vet this morning getting her shots.
Oh, she is?
Yeah.
Do they use little tiny needles too?
I don't even know if they'd make a needle small enough for her.
Smaller needles for her.
It's like a little,
She's only
sewing
like this
needle.
big. She's so tiny.
he's 4.5 pounds soaking wet.
Grace's face is 4.5 pounds. Come on, get up here. Come on. Show everybody who you are. Why are you being shy? Come on, get up here. Come on. Come on. Come on.
She wants to play. She got her toy.
She has her new Mickey Mouse. This is her new little guy. Come on, Grace. Grace, come up here. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. There she is. There's the face. This poor dog doesn't know how to tear anything up. Do you? Get your Mickey Mouse. Oh, what's wrong? She's going swimming? Yeah, Rusty, go to the webinar. You're welcome to go.
Yes, Rusty, you can definitely join.
Hey, I love your name too. Love your screen name. Or if that's your real name, that's even better. I'd imagine you have Mullet or something if that's your real name. But don't take offense. I'm joking, Rusty. I really am joking.
Yes,
Please go to the
we do
webinar.
joke around a lot here.
I do joke. We joke. Please don't take offense.
You kind of need a little thick skin around here.
It's fun. I mean, come on. Trading's hard. Trading is hard. If somebody tells you it's not hard, they're lying to you. Trading's
There
hard.
you go.
Might as well have fun doing it. Look at this.
Second shot at that thing worked great. I said you had another shot at it. I don't know if anybody heard me.
No, I heard you. I heard you. The ES is just hard to trade right now. I might try to do a long. Yeah. Got to take a big risk on it there. But I'm going to do it. There we go.
He says, "Heck yeah, the Joe Dirt mullet." Awesome. I like that. The old Joe Dirt mullet.
We got him. Rusty's in.
Yep,
He's in the clan.
he belongs. Gotta have a little redneck in you.
We got him. I love it. That's awesome. Good job, Lulu. Way to look, guys. Here, look at Lulu's picture. I'm gonna pull that up in front of everybody. Look at Lulu's picture. You have a planned trade. Plan your trade. Take it. If it wins or loses at that point, who cares? You planned it in advance. That's what you should be doing. We planned out this long on the NQ for 17 hours this morning. Look how well it worked. Come on. How many times did I go back to this chart and say, look back here, this is where you should buy from? How many times did I say that, Paul? You almost poo-pooed it. And I was like, no, it's a good premise. That's where they bought from before. And you took a trade and made money on it, didn't you?
I sure did. I'm still in it.
You're still. Oh, you're still. Why didn't you say something?
Well, I said to you guys, you're getting another shot at it. I said it. You're getting another shot at it.
I didn't know that meant you were still. Take a picture. Put it in chat.
I don't have the Roomba in this computer.
What?
No.
Oh, it's on a different.
I'm on another computer. I have it completely separate.
Okay.
I have no charts on this computer that I'm in the room on.
Okay, good. Megan, did you get some of it? That would be your trade. I actually yell at you about that one too. This would be your trade. Did you get some of that?
77 is. I mean, it was a perfect setup into a zone.
Good.
Pullback from the. Yeah, it was perfect setup. That's why I said we have to take it, whether I'm on the fence about it or not.
A little piece. Okay. I know it was hard to stay in. I know that was a hard one to stay in, but this back end would have been the bee's knees. Look at this M and Q, guys. You can't make any money with micros. I feel like we're doing pretty good. Is anybody following the M and Q? You guys doing that? And I have to admit, when I told you I was getting long on the ES, I did. Way late, but again, good premise. Why? Why did I like this? Here. What was okay with this to me? Somebody say, because that's where they bought from before. Look back. This is where they bought from before. 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 Retest. Thank you, Megan. That's it. I couldn't buy here, and I didn't want to take a lot of risk, but I kind of had to on this trade because I was like, well, if it's going to break above this level, get it? You see what I'm looking at, guys? Now we'll push past the news high. This will be a runner. Does anybody do you guys have questions on the premise of this ES long? Anybody? Thank you, Isaac. Yeah, everything matched up. Everything lined up on this to move higher on the ES. Does that make sense, guys? Megan's right. Retest trade. Came back down, tested the level from before. It actually tested to push the second reaction low on the new. I didn't realize that when I took it either. That's even a better point of confluence on that one. All good stuff on this one. But look at how many, if I just put my crosshairs here, look how many times they bought from this level. Anybody? No? Okay. Do you guys want to look at this or talk about it? No? Just be like, hey, Coach Brian doesn't know how to trade. Disappointment Panda says, if you don't plan your trades in advance, you're probably not going to trade very well. Know where you want to trade from, people. That's all I'm saying. That's 27.75. Should we use 27.50 as our stop? Let's go to 27. Let me look around real quick. Go to 27 on stop. This should continue up. This should. Let's see here. Let me do this one more time. This push should be the one that breaks the news high. That high was 37.25. I said 34 earlier. I was so off. So we should push above 37.25 now. All right. I think we did good. Good job, Lulu. There you go, Lulu. Good job. Guys, come join us. Only 3 people said they were going to come Saturday, tomorrow. I'd rather talk to you guys, but we have to get new customers or else you don't get to keep me forever. 27.50 on the ES stop. 27.50. I think we switch up counts on the M&Q now. Or we call it a morning, one or the other. What do you think, Paul?
Yeah. That's a good. Yeah.
So there's your box around 20. That. Oh yeah, there you go. Look at it. That's it. That was easy. Dan's right. Look at this. We've been drawing these out for weeks now. There's one. This is a bigger one. This indecision candle is. And there's a easy one right there. That's a lower risk one. You only have to stop there on the breakout. You got another one here. Beep, beep, beep. I don't know why I didn't ever teach it like this before. This makes it way more simple, doesn't it? Now you got a bigger one. So it's either going to push up now or it breaks below this and takes your stop. So you should probably, above this, we're going. That's going above that. NQ, you might get a second chance here on the R2, but you had a cleaner price action here. A little wonky, but you had something there. So this would have fell, but you got another one here. Does that make sense? Can you guys follow that? All right, Lulu, have a great weekend. See you, dear. Stop saying, hey, Lulu, don't make me call you, please. Lulu.
What am I missing? I've missed everything.
Lulu, come on. Lulu, please respond. Come on, don't make me call you. Lulu, just keep it PG, okay? Please. She left.
She left there. She left there?
Okay, tell her I said, all right, thanks her son. Tell her I said keep it PG. Come on. Thank you. But seriously, guys, can you D-Nice? What are you doing? You just chime in?
I'm just listening to you. You're on fire this morning, Uncle B.
Uncle B. Thank you, dear.
I'm just hanging out in this long.
I got some good news yesterday, so I'm pretty happy.
Oh, what's the good news?
Well, I'll tell you.
He's going to be a daddy.
What?
I'm pregnant. I am pregnant.
I wish we'd make a ton of money if you were. You could spin that, trust me.
Oh my God. Wait, okay, so no.
No.
Nobody's having a baby. Relax. That was just me running my mouth. Good
That was
God, could you
so
imagine another
far.
one of him running around? Woo.
That's funny.
Oh my gosh.
Could
I
imagine it.
can't stop laughing now.
Megan got excited.
Well, first I did too, and then I had to immediately start picturing.
You had to put it all together then, didn't you? You had to build that mental picture.
I was like, I can't unsee it now.
Little baby Brian running around with
No,
a man
no.
bun and a Hawaiian shirt on.
But when he
shorts and
said I'm
flip-flops.
pregnant, I was just like, oh my God. All of it was just hilarious. Everything about that was funny.
Oh my goodness. D nice. You always brought my day up.
All right, come on.
Oh my goodness.
Well, I guess I'm going to get to trade the rest of my accounts today.
Here,
This
this
is
is
not.
oh, I found it. Watch. This is my kid. What? Oh my goodness. It's an accurate picture. This is what I had a DNA test, and that's what the doctor said my kid would look like.
Oh my gosh.
I'm gonna kill this, guys. I'm gonna keep these profits. I'm gonna switch accounts on this M&Q. Look at that. Oh, can I put my stop in? There we go. Switch it up. So that's what is that? It's almost $2,000 today on the M&Q. Do that, people. Find somebody that can do that, and then still tell you that they lost yesterday. What about that? Did you do any of this M&Q stuff, D-Nice, today?
Yeah, I did a little, but then I got out of it because I was long. No, I went both ways, but
You have little faith. Follow my
I
direction.
know I need to practice more in Sims.
Have I ever steered you wrong, D-Nice?
No.
Except for that one time. We're not gonna talk about that one time.
No.
You should have never got
No,
in the
no.
cab. Let's try to buy the ES. Let me change this real quick. Did you do the M&Q, Paul, today?
Yes, I did.
Another account. Did you do it on Tick Century?
Yeah, both ways. Yeah.
You made money?
Yes, not as much as you though.
Oh, well, I got lucky. I'm into it. I screwed up on the news event. This might actually be a decent long coming up here on the ES. It's set up right. Draw your boxes, Todd. If it pushes lower, then we hold off on it. Oh, man. I forgot to change. What? Okay. I'm excited. I'm excited to do that new eval on Monday with this. Show everybody that this can be done easily. How many days till I pass it, guys? What do you guys think?
2.
2. Wow, that was fast and confident. 2. She says 2.
It depends on the day, because
I think it depends. Yeah, I think you're probably right.
Yeah.
Coach Paul.
Future Brian.
Oh no!
Wait.
Don't you put that
Oh
out
my
there.
God.
3 days. Todd says 3 days. D Nice says 2 days. Todd says 3 days. What do you guys think? How many days for me to pass it? I'm
Wait, how
trading.
did you get that, Paul? That is so
Just
funny.
made a picture of me on the AI. I'm assuming. What'd you do?
What?
Paul?
That's
Did you-
you guys didn't know he had a child?
He-
Wait.
Or
Wait,
that he is a child?
Here, I can
He is the child. Are you kidding?
I can do better. Gotta give him a little hair.
No.
Let's give him a little hair.
Oh, yeah.
I'm
Yeah,
not
he's
having a
red
redhead
and bushy
top,
mane.
I know. I just
I'm
don't have
not
time.
having
I should have told it to go with dark hair.
Oh, my God.
I'm not.
Wait, I'm dying.
Stop.
Oh man, you can tell we are bored this morning. Sorry to the trials. Let's apologize. They're not coming back after
I
this.
really hope. I hope old Mullet's still in here. Where's he at?
They're like, I came to this place to trade.
Steve.
And you guys are.
Dude, look, we made good trades and we had
did
fun.
call trades. I'm not playing around. We made money today.
That's
Trust
what,
Rusty.
you know,
Are
we
you
got to
okay
have
with
fun.
that?
I can't not have fun. It's just,
Oh,
why
yeah.
be in here?
Speaking of somebody who's never traded before, other than Megan, before they met us, you're listening
Be
to her.
nice.
D Nice. She's not a horrible trader. She gets on in the afternoons every now and then and calls amazing trades.
Yeah, when the getting's good, I'm decent at it.
You're decent at it either way.
Uh,
But here's the other thing is you also tell the truth, like I do. When you screw up, you know it's you, and you know you've screwed up, and that just happens. That's part of trading, right? I mean, you're going to do it. It's just going to happen. But you said the best thing yesterday. You know when it's happening, and you stop it.
yeah, I mean,
Yeah. So you're like,
Yeah,
oh man, that was a bonehead mistake. You said something like that yesterday, right?
well, no, did I make a mistake yesterday?
No, we were
Did
talking.
I
About,
make a mistake? What are you talking about?
What?
Make mistakes? What are you talking
Yeah,
about?
I think you're mistaken, sir.
Yes, you're mistaken. Tell me that I made a mistake.
No,
Wait,
I
you
was
make
saying, you were saying to me, but you never tell me when you're having a bad day. I said, because I know what I've done. Like, what's the
oh, that's what
point?
it was.
I mean, what's the point of me going, hey, I lost on this trade? Well, duh, because you didn't wait for your setup.
Because you already knew. You already knew. You're right. But
Yeah, I mean,
that's a good thing.
yeah. I mean,
Being able to-
if I lose a trade, it's usually user error or it's just something the market
User
that
error.
none of us could see, you know?
That's why I was laying off this. They're going to dump that at some point. But you're right. I mean, like at the end of the day, it's either just a failed trade that you did everything right on and you lost, which I'm sure you do lose trades that you do everything right on.
Yeah, of course.
But when you do a bonehead thing, you also realize in a moment that you did it. You're like, oh man, that was bonehead.
Yep.
That's the big learning part of this. The big learning part is, hey, know that you're chasing a trade, and smack yourself on the wrist. What was that guy? I was watching this other dude. He's like, dope. Don't be a dope over dopamine. Like, get the thrill out of the market. This is
Right.
let's have fun joking. This should be just routine, everyday stuff when you're trading.
Right. Exactly. Don't get, yeah, I get that.
That's the thing. Keep what's his
Well-
Zig Ziglar quote now? Keep the main thing the main thing. Who says that?
Heads up, I'm looking at a 77, 477 short if it comes up there.
Really?
Excuse
I
me.
am.
All right, I'm not gonna do it.
Okay.
Although the money line says that you should.
I mean, so
Yeah, no, the money line says
right or
you
wrong, I'm gonna give it a shot.
should. I miss the spot shade.
He's like, I'm not gonna do it.
No. Well, look. All right. So, is there information in the past that says that would be a good trade? It's a retest of the prior longs. I think we looked at this before, right, guys? They bought from here, they bought from here, they bought from here, they bought from here, they bought from here. What does support become what?
Resistance.
Resistance.
Exactly. I don't think we're gonna get it anyways. I guess it's gonna turn right here.
You're going. Yeah, it's gonna probably go before you. Um, do I want to? Do I want to do the M&Q more?
I think you've had a pretty good day.
The
Probably.
short ride? Here, let's see what we did on the M&Q. You guys want to know what the M&Q did this morning? I sent it to Paul earlier. Oh wow, it's almost exactly the same. Oh wow, look at this. This is crazy. I can't believe that number's real. Here you go. Here's the M&Q. 12 trades. All right, Lawrence, be done. Sit on the sidelines, dude. Don't push it. Don't push it. Good job. Hey, go Dogs, WD. Have a great weekend, buddy. I just saw that. Here's
All
the
right,
M&Q.
WD. Go Dogs.
Go Dogs. Here's the M&Q. Just doing, that's the
Don't
total.
like the way this thing is
Just
bunching
doing
up
the
here.
trades I took this morning. Anybody a believer yet on doing this M&Q with Tick Century? What do you think, Paul? D nice?
Oh, it's
Yeah, I did well on it yesterday.
Yeah. Yeah. I think that's well. That's well. Today.
Yep. Wow.
What else can we do? Stay in sim, Joe. Just guys, those following the M&Q trades on Tick, I kind of have to think about this as being a two direction for me. Let me change this account up. Look, I'll do this on sim. I'll just switch to sim. I'm not gonna do a different account.
scratch that 77 short, people, because it's when it bunches up like this here, and I think we missed it. It's gonna go without us.
Yeah,
I don't like it now.
it's about to make us short now. I'm gonna go 35 ticks, 10 contracts. Full disclosure, this one's sim, so I can't wait to start that eval next week. I'll show you guys. This is gonna be a real thing for you. I'm gonna go both directions here. Start with a short bias. Why? Because the money line says to. Yeah. What?
I'm just playing around with that picture. I'm bored.
I do like that the kid's got a Georgia shirt. on.
I've given it a mohawk and a beard.
Oh, ESM. Yeah, it looks like a stretch. And this is, you got two options here. This could be an inverse head and shoulders too. Same thing. Look at this. Here we go. You guys want to do something? There's your little box there. Broke out of it. You got the push up here. You got another one here. So a break up here is a big time long. A break down here, big time short. Same on the ES here. Little inverse head and shoulders. Got the break out here, big time long, break out here, big time short. Okay, you guys got that? That's easy stuff right there. This is why we use tick charts. Isn't that amazing how tick charts can just show you exactly what to do? You get our levels good. All left, it's just being D-nice. It's cool. Your voice looks better than his does. But shh.
Except I'm about ready to get a second cup of coffee.
I'm on my second cup of coffee, and I need like 6 more today.
I'll be right back, okay?
Okay, I'll be here. What? Let me ask. Jockap, are you working on the Tick Century M&Q? Dan, you should be doing it. Dan, seriously, Dan, you should be doing it. This is easy stuff for you. Some easy wins. Megan and Joe, I want you guys practicing it, obviously. Rosa. What? Um, who's that, Paul?
Was that?
Send it in our Google chat.
Oh. No clue.
That's snuck in on me. Hey, it's working then.
Oh.
I don't know. I don't know. Miss Paulina can answer that question, I guess. Oh well. I like it though. It's good. See, making traction from something, at least, right, Paul?
Oh yeah. Something is something.
Something we're doing is working. Go on, Nick. Go on down. Get that next contract. Are you guys doing the M&Q with me again? Because we're
You
gonna
know what? I'll do it again.
Come on, Paul. You gotta get on board with doing this Tick Century on the M&Q. If
I
I'm
did
doing
do
it
it.
on the eval next week, you've got to do it on the eval.
Yeah, no, I'm not. I'll do it.
Bro, why is my back still so sore? 3 days in a row. Do it next week with me. Todd says 3 days. Sugar Bridget says 2 days to pass the eval. I'm gonna do it the right way. I'm not gonna gamble. I'm just gonna do it the right way, guys. What's Stretch say? Yes, M. Oh, that was a while ago. We're cooling up for something that's gonna move somewhere quick. Anybody want to do it with me? All right, let's do this. How many members will get a new eval Monday for Monday and do the eval challenge with me into payout? I'm gonna take this all the way into payout with Tick Century on the M&Q. Anybody want to do that with me? Come on, somebody's got to do it with me.
Do it.
You'll do it. Get a new eval, D-Nice. Okay.
Yep, I'll do that.
Rusty, you're gonna do it with me? All right. Get a new eval. Get on Tick Century. We'll teach you. Okay, good. Paul, talk to Paul. Talk to Coach Paul. He'll get you all set up and have you follow because you'll be on trial next week. Members have a lot of faith. D-Nice said that take me 2 days. Todd probably a little bit more believable. 3 days might be that.
Yeah, I mean, I might have been a little. I wasn't thinking of what.
I love your faith though. I really do.
I know. I'll stick with it just because I said it.
It might happen. I mean, it could happen one day. I don't know.
Well, what did you do today? 1,700 or something crazy
No, we're
like
not
that?
done.
Yeah. So I mean,
That's the same too in micros. In micros.
Micros.
That's absolutely
Apex.
insane.
No, we're doing Bulldogs. Come to the presentation tomorrow,
anymore.
Rusty. You actually might actually win.
Yeah, come
Yeah.
tomorrow, Rusty. You might have a chance to win a free.
You could
Going
win
up.
one. You could win an eval. We got a bunch we're giving away. Members, you can come too. You can win an eval. Didn't tell you guys that. Should have. They can win, right? Everybody that shows
Yeah,
up.
they can win the evals. Yeah.
Yeah, members, if you want to win an eval, show up tomorrow.
Or if you want a
No.
shot to win.
None of you guys showing up? What?
They don't. They got plenty of evals. They're too busy making money.
They know.
We're like, no.
It's just a
Just-
stinking eval. We don't
Here,
need no stinking evals.
You got Nick, never passed never had a PA before. Got 3 of them now. Justin,
Megan
never
getting
got
paid out.
He got his first payout several months ago. Obviously, Megan, Rockstar, got her first payout this week, and she's 4 months into trading. Got this is
That's impressive.
Great
That's
stuff.
just crazy.
4 months into trading, all I was doing was losing money.
Yeah.
4 years into trading, all you were doing is losing money, Paul.
Yeah.
I did the same thing. 4 years in trading, I lost money. I'll tell the truth. I lost money. 4 years in
Sure,
trading.
I had my share of losses.
Uh-huh. Everybody knows I had over $500,000 in losses. That was painful. That was a painful period of my life.
That sounds really freaking painful.
And let us help you, Rusty. Paul's pretty much an expert at it. Can I? I'm gonna call him Old Mullet. Old Mullet. No, let's help you. We'll help you, Rusty. For real. Why don't you? How about Miss Paulina reach out to you and get you on Paul's calendar?
Yeah, I'd be happy to help you, Rusty. We can
Can you
give
chat with
you.
him today, Paul?
We'll show you.
I love that screen name too. That's just the best screen name on the planet. Me being a Georgia boy,
That's his name.
it just hits home.
I think
That's
that's
his actual name.
That's his name. Yeah, that's just a cool name.
name.
Look, the man's got a cool name. It is what it is.
He's sitting back there going, "What's the big deal?"
He's like, I've had this name my whole life. What's the big deal? Oh man.
Oh, Rusty, I hope you're laughing. I really do. I hope you're laughing. But seriously, get on Paul's calendar. We'll help you get started with it.
Yeah, Rusty, get on my.
Get in the challenge with me, Rusty. Monday.
Come tomorrow.
Be Nice
Rusty.
is doing it. Here, I'll throw that out to Joe or Megan. You guys want to do that with me? Todd, why don't you do it with me too, Todd?
Now, what happens if, say, I'm not in the room when you start it?
You just won't pass us the same time as I do, or
Okay, but I'll just, yeah, because like this morning, I didn't start.
Well, no, you'll just do this trade with me. You know, there's again, if the one you start on is a loser, you push that account to the next day. Wait,
What? Losers? We don't take losers.
I took a loser yesterday. I took 2 losses yesterday.
I lost across the board yesterday. I'm kind of proud of that. to be
If
honest
it
with
weren't
you.
for Tick Century, I would have not had a good day yesterday. The only thing that saved, and we said, what did we get in the afternoon? Be nice while we were joking around. It was 178 something like that.
Yeah, it was about 150. So I don't know.
You did 150. I thought it was like.
I
closer.
didn't get as much as you because I can't remember why, but I think I started after you.
Oh, you started later than me. Yeah, you had. I already had a contract on before you.
Yeah, but funny enough though, when I got in, it was the same price action that you got in, but you had
Yeah,
already.
yeah, we were in pretty much the same price.
But
Well,
you
look,
had already taken
around.
profit.
I mean, it was easy though. Sit there and mess around and make 170 bucks.
Yeah.
I've got one.
Kind of like what we're doing right now.
I will have my Buell Knox ready to go for Monday morning. I'm gonna do it with you.
All right, I love it. All right, we got Todd. Todd, you have to do it now, Todd. We have to have Todd, Paul, D Nice. One of the Zimmermans, I hope, will do it with me.
I'm up $70. Just turned it on. I was like in micros. This is great. Just
Did you turn it on both ways or?
Yeah, both ways. I got it on both ways.
Let's see, Todd's got to do it. Todd, you have to do it with me. Todd. I'm just saying it. You got to do it, buddy.
Yeah, as long as it
Jaw cap. I want you to do it with
stays in
you,
this
jaw cap.
range.
Tom, where's Tom at? I want Tom to do it too. Okay. No, I mean the new eval Monday. Everybody get a new eval Monday. Everybody get a new one. And if you show up tomorrow as a member, you might
win one.
You could have a chance to
We
win
got a
one.
bunch to give away tomorrow. We
do
got a
have
bunch.
to give away.
Bunch of Buell Knoxes for people.
No, if you're online listening, don't listen to this. I'd rather give it to the members anyway. But I don't get to choose. Tom's doing a random number picker.
No, it's going to be totally random. We're not playing any favorites.
But you show
Except
up.
for me, I'm your favorite, but that's
Right.
okay. Everybody.
That's right. You are our favorite, but we're still not going to give you.
Let 'em know.
You are our favorite. We'll give you that. But you
Oh,
ain't getting
man.
one. Well, you might get one. You might legitimately win one, but
No, I can't be there tomorrow.
well, then you're not getting one.
No, I'm not
Oh,
getting
no.
one. That's okay. I'm going to have one on Monday. No
There you
worries.
go.
Did you talk to Hugo? Did Hugo try to help you, Todd? Yeah, it's
Oh,
about
Creed.
you need your beauty sleep tomorrow. You're not listening to me now.
I've seen.
She got off.
pictures. There's
Did I
plenty of
offend you on
holes.
that one? That you need your beauty sleep? Come on. Yeah. Why don't you just talk to? So, here I'll do a quick one, and then
Do a quick explanation for him.
can you talk to Coach Paul later, Rusty, and he'll go into deeper dive with it.
Just give him a call. We got time. Do a quick little
Yeah.
explanation.
So
of
I'm
what it
gonna
does.
I'll go over. Yeah. We'll make this.
Plus, we
I
need a
guess last-
refresher.
very
People have been
low.
asking me for a refresher anyway, so this is a good time
Okay.
to do a
All
little
right. Yeah. So
600.
here's the deal. It started with we started it. Let me just break it down to where we started with. The one thing we're missing rule wise was a grid style of trading. Okay. We had everything. Our zones work well, as you can see. Our zones work well, and we had good entries for manual entries. We had all this stuff, but the one thing we were missing is on day, especially like this right here, this range bound NQ or ES market. One thing we were missing as a to make us complete, if you will, was some type of dollar cost averaging system that fit our rules. So our rules originally started with, and be really straightforward, this is nothing more than an 89 exponential moving average with a 200 simple moving average. But on the right tick chart, 292 for the NQ and 699 for the ES, 133 for the YM. On the right tick chart, the 89 and 200 relationship becomes magical. Why? Because it gives you a really good depiction of when you should be taking shorts. Get it? Now we had a programmer program in when the optimal slope would turn for a long. So you could almost just, when this turns red, you can almost just press the sell button and make money. When it turns green, you can almost just press the buy button and make money, as you can see. So when we started diving into it, Paul and I were trying to figure out a dollar cost averaging martingale type of system that fit with our levels and using the simple 89 exponential moving average. Then we realized we had a lot more potential in doing this. So Tick Century turned into a all-encompassing trading vehicle that allows you to enter. It's all based on dollar cost averaging, and you're able to set. This is on the same, so I'll just show you guys here. You're able to set. Okay, this isn't so good. Like, I'm not trading it anyway, so I don't care. But we're able to set inside of here. You're able to set. Now we give you this, but the point I'm trying to make is you're able to set a profit target. You're able to set match risk, so we have a stop built into it as well. Great job, Isaac. Great job. And then other things that are programmed. Pretty much has everything in it. But when we hit apply, okay, when you have the settings right and you have your stop built in, you're able to go into a dollar cost averaging situation with a set risk instead of there being all these programs have everybody asks what's the drawdown. Well, you set your drawdown in Tick Century. That was the main thing we wanted. And then we have the money line. So right now, I could turn that on, arm it for the. What is it off of me? I made it mad. So the money lines are 89 exponential. So if I want to take a long from here, which so the relationship between the 89 exponential and the price action is extremely strong. See how it bounces off of it on a regular basis, long and short. So you have a high likelihood of that making money. So we started with that, so you can actually use use this. It will just go ahead and say, okay, I'm ready for the long. You go into it. Um, that's the money line, and then we have an order entry line. So we use levels. So I want to buy from this level, right? We could have done this earlier, right? We could have just set our entry line and said we're gonna go long, and I'm gonna turn it on where price comes down and automatically enter me into it. So it follows our rules in the sense that you can place your trade in advance and let it go. I keep joking about this, but it really is a set it and forget it system. And then obviously the final piece of tick century, and it does tell you again, tells you if you should be taking longs, tells you if you should be taking shorts, tells you if you should be neutral, just based on the relationship to price action and what we call the money line. And then the final piece is the true dollar cost averaging process here. So again, I should have kept my long bias on, and I did full disclosure say that this was going to sim. But the odds of this coming back down, look at the MQ. The odds of it coming back down and us being in a two-way trading environment, we are in a two-way trading environment, are pretty high. I mean, that's just what it says. The odds are really high that we're in a two-way trading environment. So that's 6th century. It's got a lot of really good features and tools, and I don't expect anybody to get everything it does one day. That's why we'll teach you, and we'll get on a call with you and teach you. Okay. Ron Capel. I don't know.
Ron Popel.
Who is that? Huh?
Just FYI.
Who's Ron Papel? Capel. Am I silly? Oh, should I know who that is?
Ron Popel is the wasn't he the Ronco guy, or he's?
I don't know. Ron Capel. There you go. Let's see who this is.
Cooker guy, the sell it and forget it rotisserie cooker guy.
Oh, that's who it is. oh, yeah, that's it. Set it and forget it. This is it.
The set it and forget it.
That is it. We are the Ron. That's it. We're Ron. It's yeah. That's there. It is. Yeah, Rusty. Ron Papel. Oh, that guy. Yeah, that's what we are. Set it and forget it.
Oh,
I mean, but think
that
about it,
guy.
guys. I mean, realistically, if you just follow the money line and our levels, you just get to pick which one you want to use on tick century and go with it. The odds of you being wrong are extremely slim. I can show you day after day of this working, minute after minute. This work. Look at this. Take longs when it's green. Take shorts when it's red. Take longs when it's green. Go neutral when it says neutral. I mean, I could go back longs, shorts, longs, red, shorts, or neutral. Who cares? Longs, shorts, longs.
Speaking of longs, does anybody want to look for a pullback to get in long?
I think we've gone way over our time this morning, but I'm having a good time doing this.
Oh shoot!
Shorts.
I didn't realize it's 11:30 already.
I know. Look at this. Here, Rusty. This is why you get on a call, Paul. If you can't tell me this doesn't work. Tell me. And I'll prove to you every single day it does work. I did take a loser yesterday, Rusty. I lost $500 on one account. All right, everybody saw it. I can't make it up. I'm a big fat loser.
Loser.
I'm a loser. Tick century. I gotta make a new one. We do have the. I have the trading video. What happened to that training video on Tick Century? It's gonna go run off. It's gonna go and run off.
It's done.
Again,
gone
I did say
run
this is Tim. Not playing around on that one. It's Tim, and they're probably gonna take off with it. Look at this. Money line's green. Should we be selling or buying? Money line's green. I think that's a buy. If you can take a big risk, and here's the other cool thing about it. If you can take a bigger risk, I mean, think about it. You can literally, like, if you press the buy button here, did you make money? Right there. You press the sell button right here. Did you make money? You press the buy button right here. Did you make money? Press the sell button right here. Did you make money? Press the buy button right here. Did you make money? Press the sell. You get the point? Anybody? You guys get the point I'm trying to make? It's really easy. Simple stuff. Buying. Thank you, Megan. D, nice. You turkey. All right. Let's call it a day.
I kept saying it, people.
I knew you were going to do it, too. It's all right. That's a good trade. We wait for a pullback. You waited for just a little consolidation.
Stretch took the breakout.
Stretch it.
Yeah.
Did you stretch? All right, guys. Let's call it a week. I'm having a good time today, but I've got things I got to do. I got to work on this. We got to square away this presentation stuff for tomorrow. Show up. I figured you were along. Good stretch. It's about time. The ES should have pushed. It finally did. There we go. I told you at some point it was going to push up to that above that news high. Just didn't know if it was going to be today. Buying the whole time. 1777 on micros in the NQ, MNQ. That is crazy. We come to 89. I like the Lulu limit. Sit on your hat. Yeah, Dan, that's it. 89's flat. Don't do anything. If you're trading manually and you're not using Tick Century, 89's flat. Guys, I don't know how we can make trading more simple. We have levels. Trade for them. We have what we call the money line. If it's flat, don't trade. If you're doing it manually, or go two directions on Tick Century. If it's up, buy. If it's down, sell. Can't make it more simple than that, people.
Here's a thought. Here's something you can mull over. Take everything
Mull
that
it
we
over?
Yes, mull it
Did you say
over
mull it
this.
over?
You can mull it over this. Take everything we preach in this room, all our methodology, all our setups, everything, automated, manual. Pick the ones that work for you, create a trade plan around those particular entries, and then just stick to it. Just stick to it. That's it.
You might
and control your risk.
You might
control your risk. It's amazing what might happen if you do that.
Well, all right. So I do the same thing every day, don't I?
Yeah, and so do I. You and I, we trade somewhat differently in certain areas,
Have a little different trading,
but we stick to our own rules and we are consistent because we don't break them.
I don't change. And guess what happens when I do make silly mistakes? I lose sometimes.
Yeah, that's part of trading.
When I plan to trade perfectly, I usually win. Yesterday I took a loss on a perfectly planned trade. It was a trade I wanted. It was a trade I looked for the whole morning. I mean, I waited all morning for a losing trade. Does that make me a loser? That's a good point to make. I waited all morning for that losing trade, didn't I, Paul?
Yeah.
And I still lost on it.
And it's okay though, because it was in your rules.
I planned it out an hour.
If it's in your rules and it doesn't look, if you stick to your plan, you stick to a proven methodology, something that you've been using that you know wins more than it loses. Well, then when you take that trade, you should absolutely care neither way, whatever happens. It doesn't matter, win or lose. Just take the trade, and whatever the outcome is, it is. If you lose, take the next trade. If you lose, take the next trade after that. If it's a good entry and you're doing it correctly, over time, in the long run, average, you will be a winner.
Dan, you're silly. Rusty,
Why is
that's a good
everyone
question.
not using it?
No, that's
Great question,
because they're
Rusty.
afraid of it. They don't know how. They don't listen. Here's a bit. I'll tell you exactly what it is, Rusty. Because people will use it one time and they'll take a loss because they're afraid of taking a drawdown before they get a winner. They're afraid of. Look here, Tom. Tom will answer the question.
I'll
Because-
answer. Oh, go ahead.
Yeah, go ahead, D. Nice.
Well, just to what you said, as a person that's getting used to it, because I, for a long time, had not used it very much, because it's really scary at first to see
Drawdown.
the drawdown. It's
Yeah.
just scary. It's counterintuitive for us because we've learned not to let that happen. But in this scenario, it really, really works. Okay.
Correct.
so that's
Correct.
my-
In order for it to be profitable, Rusty, you have to go in the drawdown because it's the scaling that gets you profitable. It's the better entries. So you have to be comfortable. That's why we harp on that, and that's one thing that we talk about, Rusty, is when you start
Entries
using
first.
it, we will talk about what is a good risk for you. Based on how you're trading. What are you trading? Are you trading prop funds? Are you trading cash? If you're trading prop funds, what size prop funds? What's your drawdown on those prop funds? We come up with a daily risk. You set that in Tick Sentry, and at that point, like I just said earlier, you just let it run, and you're going to have to let it go into drawdown in order for it to be profitable. Like right now, my Tick Sentry's in drawdown, but as soon as it reverses, I'll be fine.
Yep.
And that's why some people don't use it because for
It's-
some people they just can't see red. Let's be honest. There are people who absolutely
Well-
panic when a trade goes against them.
And then there's people who see green and they're like, "Oh, I gotta
And
get
then
out of the
there's
trade."
people who see it go green and immediately want
Oh
to
my
lock in a $5 profit when the thing could have been $1,000 profit.
$500 profit.
Yeah.
And then what? And our methodology on top of that, Rusty, you don't know that. When you and Paul talk today, he'll go over that with you. But when we do manual entries, we teach a very low risk entry. So a lot of people around here are afraid of Tick Sentry because it's not the lowest risk entry, but you get to set your risk in the back end of it. Again, I think this one's on the same as well. But you get to set your should be, yeah, okay. To answer your question, why don't people use it? I don't know. I can show you every day. Like yesterday, I took one loss on one account, and then 4 other accounts, all green. Today, obviously 1777. I'm in sim on the one I did, and I did tell everybody that sim because I was done. But you set your max risk. I mean, this could be $500, and so I'll answer the question. I think it's just fear of the unknown for most people. That's why they don't use it. And I'll sit here every day and use it in front of you guys. And we're pretty small as a club. I'm not gonna lie to you about that one either, Rusty. We're not a huge club. We're not a huge trading group. We're pretty small. So name's not out there yet. It will be soon. Look at this pretty face. It will be. Watch. But all right, let's call it a morning, guys. Did he get a time set for you two to talk?
He did not. Have Miss Pauline, can you reach out to him?
Let's give into the fear of loss. Yeah,
I think it's
that's it. Scalping. You're right, Rusty. That's exactly right. That's really. Here's the other thing you're gonna learn about us, Rusty. We are blatantly straightforward. No BS here. Real minutia, if you will. Real minutia. That's all there is to it. And we have fun doing it. So I don't know. You probably don't like having fun, Rusty, and you probably wouldn't want to hang around us and have some fun doing this.
Rusty, let's have a conversation, Rusty. Let's quick little
Thank you, Joe.
conversation. We're not.
Thank you. Oh, going to fit it well. I already know.
We're very laid back here, Rusty. We don't push any sales. We don't try to sell anybody anything.
Exactly.
The guy with the mullet does not
Yep,
like to have
Hold
fun.
my beer. Watch this.
Hold my beer.
Hold my beer. Watch this. All right, guys.
Oh,
Yeah,
that's
I got
great.
some stuff today. Be nice. Appreciate you being on with us. And yeah, that's it.
Thank you. Thanks for a good week.
Great week, guys. Great
Looking
week.
forward to doing it.
Work in the front, party in the back. Oh my goodness. All right, people. I'm out. I appreciate y'all. Have a great weekend, everybody.
All right. Thanks, everybody. See you guys. Well, see you guys tomorrow.
Hey, Miss
hopefully.
Pauline's going to reach out to you, Rusty. Get on Paul's calendar today to have a call with him. Thanks, guys.
Later.
Everybody else on trial. Rusty's the only one playing around with us.
Yeah,
Everybody else on
we're the
trial.
one we're talking to is Rusty. The rest of you
No,
try. That's it.
Everybody else on trial, please go to libertytradingclub.com if you're on the YouTubes or anything like that. Join us for 7-day free trial. You might actually like what you get. Have some fun with us. Joke around. We got some really good tools. We've been showcasing Tick Century this morning. And I'm going to leave that trade running in Sim, and it's going to go into profit probably here in like maybe now or next couple ticks down. Join us, libertytradingclub.com. Rusty, I would highly recommend, all of you on trial, not just Rusty, highly recommend downloading tools, talking to Coach Paul. He'll help you get started, or one of our coaches. They'll help you get started. And then
there goes she's in profit now.
There you go. See how that works? That's amazing. Next week, you'll have fun with us in the afternoon. I don't know what your schedule's like, guys. I'm trying, especially Rusty, since he's playing along with us.
All right.
Every day at Monday, Thursday, 1 p.m., 1300 Eastern, we go into an afternoon trading session, sometimes earlier if the market plays along with us. 4 p.m., most every day, we have a meetup. Be there or be square. And I would highly recommend you guys watching at least the first 5 videos in the Elite Class replays. Also, if you want them on the go with you, here in our main chat room, you can go to the files section. So do this before I close it down. Go to the files section. Wait, everybody, we're done, right? We're done for the week. Let's see this real quick. Go into the files section and download the manual, read through that, and you can also get those 5 videos, the 3 of those 5 videos for free for you to take with you. They're class replays, so they're interactive with our members. You'll like it. I'm recording some new ones because this was on the ES. When I did these videos, our rules don't change. It doesn't matter if it's in Q, ES, YM, gold, copper, silver, pork bellies. It doesn't matter if you have the right tick chart. You can bring a methodology through anything. All right. There's that. Take those videos with you. Have fun with them. And I have, as always, go out and thank your frontline service workers, people. Please help us to have the best profession ever. Military, former military, all those people go think of this weekend. They'll appreciate it. It'll make their day better. I promise you, it might make your day better. And as my wife can tell you, she gets pulled over for blowing through stop signs a lot. And thank goodness we are friends with the cops because she doesn't get tickets. So that thank you helps a lot in my world. And be safe. Have fun this weekend. And if you can't be safe, have fun doing it. Thank you, guys. See you next week.
Before we dive in, this is educational content only. Liberty Trading Club is not a financial advisor. Everything you see here is for learning purposes only. Remember, trading involves risk, and past performance doesn't guarantee future results. So always do your own research and trade wisely.